Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. I'm up here with my nephew
T-Train Kicks.
and today we have the Nike Adapt BB, the second version of this auto lacing minus the Nike Air Max. So we got the huge box, open it from the sides right here, both sides. We got the shoes, take it out. We got this pad right here, the Adapt Charger 1.0. Goes USB-C right in the side right there. Put the shoe on top and it'll charge. And the only way you know if it's charging is if you have the app. So download the Nike Adapt app on your phone. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but definitely on iPhone. And then from there you can do auto adjust on these. And if you guys are wondering, the Adapt app is actually not too bad. It's pretty simple as far as it lets you do the adjustments left and right. And then you can change the colors on the sides right there as well. The thing about the Adapt Charger though, it kind of gets really messed up. This material, this matted material right here, definitely as soon as we took it out of the box, it's all scraped up. Kind of wish they used a different material just so it could stay clean.
About charging, it would be nice to actually know like how much like the percent was once you took it out of the box, because we placed it on the pad and we didn't even know what percentage it was at.
Once you get the app going, it's pretty easy to connect it and it'll sense it, which is pretty intuitive. They let you customize the tightness through the app, and so as soon as you put it on and you pull this tab right here, the tongue, it starts to adjust to the way you would like. It's pretty loud.
It is loud.
Like I wonder if Nike will eventually get it where it's kind of silent.
I mean,
I think that's something they'll work on too. And it's slow. I'm not saying it's not like the auto lacing in Back to the Future where it's just like cuffing your foot real quick. Talk about sizing. I got my true to size 8. They fit, but it's not narrow, but it feels pretty tight. And with the self lacing, I think maybe going half a size up with these for some people will work. Like for myself, I think I could play in these, but they would have to break in.
I mean, the cushioning isn't anything too special considering it does have to like fit the motor in the shoe. And speaking of the motor, it can pull up tension up to 32 pounds, which is like equivalent to a parachute cord.
Jordan 33 has kind of like a parachute cord in it as well. And Nike's kind of going that direction with the auto lacing. They spent a lot of money patenting that, and you know, they're really kind of just pushing it out there. And I think just making a shoe like this revolutionary for the brand, and who knows where it's gonna go in the future, but I think this is a good first step, especially seeing Jason Tatum wearing them most of the season. 3M on the swoosh, and then this whole shroud right here, you know, you could definitely see it tightening up if you were to cut this apart. Hopefully someone does that, customizers out there kind of play around with this and, you know, kind of expose this auto lacing system, because it is pretty cool. Like you could see it underneath, but you know, it's all hidden. People out there wondering about the auto lacing, I would say it doesn't run real tight. I turned it up all the way to the max and it still was a nice little fit. Like it didn't choke out my feet. It didn't feel like, you know, I would like lose some circulation.
Where
some of the other
feel
shoes
the tightness? Where's the tightness?
You can feel it like right here. You can feel it throughout like the entire shoe except maybe the toe area. You feel it tightening up all right here because that's where the wiring is all throughout this mid part. Definitely a cool ball shoe. You definitely will get a lot of questions asked when you wear them. People that know what these are. Overall, I can't wait to see what Nike does with the auto lacing. Like, all right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the auto lacing. Overall, like I said, pretty cool shoe. The packaging, everything's nice too. Kind of make it feel a little more special. Definitely something completely different from whatever you can find on the market.